In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money from Odoo. Odoo is a powerful business platform, and one of the best things about it is that it opens up multiple income opportunities for different kinds of people. Whether you're a developer, freelancer, consultant, trainer, or even someone planning to launch a business, there are practical ways to turn Odoo into a source of revenue. One of the most common options is building Odoo websites for clients. With Odoo website and Odoo e-commerce, you can create business websites, online stores, restaurant websites, hotel booking websites, and NGO websites. This is valuable because many clients are not just paying for a website itself. They also pay for setup, customization, and ongoing maintenance, which can turn a one-time project into repeat work. Another strong path is Odoo freelancing. You can offer services through freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer.com, and Fiverr. Popular services include Odoo installation, customization, module development, data migration, as well as training and support. This is a good option if you want flexibility and the ability to build experience while working with different types of businesses. You can also develop and sell Odoo modules. If you create useful custom apps such as school management, hotel management, clinic management, payroll extensions, or industry-specific reports, you can sell them through the Odoo App Store. This can be especially attractive because you may earn from one-time purchases and continue earning through updates and improvements. Another way to make money is by becoming an Odoo consultant. Businesses often need help implementing Odoo for CRM, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and HR. As a consultant, you can charge by the hour per project or through a monthly retainer, depending on the complexity of the work and the level of support involved. Training is another great opportunity. You can create online courses, publish YouTube tutorials, or deliver corporate training sessions. Useful topics include Odoo basics, Odoo development, accounting setup, and website building. If you enjoy teaching, this can become a reliable income stream while also helping you build authority in the market. You can even use Odoo to run your own online business, whether that's a grocery store, fashion shop, electronics store, service business, or digital products business. Odoo helps manage sales, inventory, invoicing, and customer relationships, making it easier to operate efficiently. Beyond that, there is demand for Odoo support services, including bug fixes, upgrades, user training, and server maintenance. You can charge monthly support fees for this. Hosting and maintenance for self-hosted clients is another recurring income option, especially if you handle server setup, backups, security updates, and performance optimization. You can also build integrations and automation between Odoo and tools like payment gateways, Power BI, WordPress, Shopify, and other ERP or accounting systems. These projects are often highly valuable because they solve real operational problems. Finally, you can become an official Odoo partner through the Partner Program. Partners can sell Odoo licenses, implement projects, and receive training and support from Odoo. This can help you grow faster and work more professionally in the ecosystem.